Welcome to the Busy Homes Homestead.
Hello and welcome to the Busy Bug Homestead. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a review video. So I got my hands on the Fiskars harvest basket, which I have been looking for a good harvest basket for a while now. And I could have gone with just like any old basket. You know, it's just really something to put your produce in while you're walking around the garden. But I really wanted something that was durable, something that can withstand my kids being around it because, you know, kids are kind of rough on some things, and especially a wicker basket. I was a little worried that they try and sit in it, possibly ride it around. So I wanted something durable, and I also wanted something that was easy to clean. So this is the basket. It is large. It's got a strainer on one side. It's got some strainer holes in the center pocket here, but also it's got a small area for smaller things like my scissors or berries, you know, whatever I would have this small that I could put in there. And then it's also got a solid side for carrying around anything else that I might have that I need to carry around. Another thing that I really like about it is that it has the handle so I can hold it like this if I want to, but it's also got these handles that not only fit nicely in your hand, but they actually snap together with like a little tongue and groove latch. So it's nice, it feels comfortable in your hands. It's got the little spouts for draining off. I would assume that's what they're for, or they're maybe for handles. Either way, I could see using them to drain off any excess water that might be in the side without the holes. So let's go try this thing out. I also have, which is not new, but I have a pair of Snips, same brand. I'm gonna try those too. Alright, so this is a pretty good amount of turnips, especially the turnip greens. I'm going to slice the greens off and see how well the strainer works by washing off the turnips with the hose out here, and then we can move on to our next veggie. I love the basket. I think that it was a great purchase. I will do all the links. I bought it off Amazon because the Fiskars website was sold out, but I will link both the website itself and the Amazon link where I got this one from. And I like it. It's durable. It's cute. I think it has a lot better chance of standing up to my children than a wicker basket would. And I mean, look at how good those look. I also really liked the Snips. I thought the Snips were really good. So they're pretty simple, and I like them because I can fit them right into my little pocket that I normally wear when I'm walking around. And they also have the little guard to keep the little fingers out of them. So, but I can stick them right into the center of the basket, take them with me where I need to go, stick them in my pocket. So that was nice because I've been looking for a good pair that's just small that's sharp enough to cut through some of the bigger things. I will also link these in the description if anybody is interested. And Thank you so much for watching our little review of the Fiskars harvest baskets and little snippers. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.